Everything is so messy here. I'm sorry, really. But really these days have been really tough. So I was writing my resignation letter all in Turkish right now. Today I was mostly busy with this, talking with some friends and colleagues on the phone, getting as much information as I can about my resignation process. As you know, I'm in Turkey with my work permit, so I don't have the red card. The red card is actually for residency, the resident permits, the visa tourist. Some people know it with that name. So I don't have that one. I am here with my work permit only. So if this school that I'm in right now stops it and I don't have a new application in 10 days, then I have to leave Turkey. But the application of the new school has been approved, so it's there. No worries about that. Even if my current school stops my work permit right now, I will be safe. It is not known if my application is going to be, confirmed, if I am going to get the work permit or not. We don't know that, but we know that it's there. They have applied. It's gone in the process. Yeah, I know I'm really stressed right now, but it seems like we're all set. I'm out. I've started packing. I don't know which day it is right now. I've lost the count. I think it is day 8 or day 9, I don't know. But yeah, in the morning I sent my resignation and I got an appointment from Human Resources Elif Hanım from our school. So I will be meeting her tomorrow. Everything will be all right. I just want to know about my rights, do the paperwork, and get ready for moving my house, which is going to happen on Monday. I figured that I have a lot of friends here. I mean, all of a sudden today, when I was thinking about meeting some of them and say goodbye, I was like, it feels as if it is like 2 years ago, the same as 2 years ago, as if I'm moving to a new country. Because it is actually like another city, you know. It's like 3 hours from here to my new house, new school and everything. So I guess suddenly it got to me, you know. I don't know, I guess I shouldn't be thinking about it right now. I should just try to have some fun with friends and get ready to move. Okay, so everything is a mess right now. I am packing. I've packed a lot of things, but as you can see, and let me show you more, well, a lot of things are still not packed. I did fill this suitcase as well. Yeah, some clothes are still there and I have to pack them. But soon we're gonna be ready. Yeah, I just took a shower. I don't look that good. Yeah, and I'm trying to hide some of the private stuff, but yeah, I think I will be done pretty soon. I cannot forget the first day that I was walking on this road. We were going to the main campus with Masoud for some paperwork to Elif Hanım. And now again I'm going to Elif Hanım, but this time I'm going for the paperwork that needs to be done before I leave Vision to the new school. It's not like I'm happy. I do have lots of memories in Vision. I mean, I basically learned everything about teaching to Turkish people, Turkish students. I learned a lot about the culture of Turkey here among my friends and my colleagues and my supervisors in Vision. So I cannot say that this is a very happy moment, but I can say that it is really emotional. Not sad necessarily because I grew and I became who I am right now, but definitely emotional.
حاضر این سازوکارهای عمده حذف شدن از زندگی طبقه فرهنگی و طبقه فرهنگی با این اصطلاح‌ها مواجه شده و روان نژندی‌هایی از خودش بروز میده و استفاده بکنید. عزیزای من.
Look at that. Okay, I did some shopping in the morning. I am trying to empty my fridge because like I'm moving a day after tomorrow on Monday. Today's Saturday. Yesterday I went to school as I showed you. I talked to Elif Hanım. I signed my resignation letter. And to tell the truth, the new school is telling me that I don't need that transfer letter for my work permit. So fingers crossed, I will not be in trouble. It was a little bit expensive for me paying for the transfer letter. It was around 3,000. I don't exactly know why they wanted me to pay. At first they said it's 5,000. Then I said, like, I know that another teacher had paid 3,000 and they changed their opinion and said it's like 3,000. So all in all, I don't really know if I had to get that letter, why I had to get that letter, how the new school is going to get my work permit. Maybe they are starting from scratch. They have told me that I am safe, so I'm not gonna stress over it again until I have to. Right now we're going to eat and listen to some good podcasts. Then I will start packing again. Like, there are some stuff that I will need to pack sooner or later. I mean, I keep walking around telling myself like, okay, I need this. I'm gonna be needing this tomorrow. I'm gonna be needing that tomorrow. But come on, like in 2 days I'm gonna be moving. So I have to pack everything.